already, huh?
Hey. Come here, papi. Hey, big. You bet you hit him out the park now, right?
Hey, Mr. Rodriguez. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hey, who's that? Come here. Look at him. You miss your uncle, right? Un besito, un besito.
Grandma is coming.
I really do.
Okay. Bye, mi amor.
You going, Mike? Wait,
Willie. Luego.
What's the matter? You don't like baseball no more?
It's okay, yes.
Just okay, huh?
You gotta understand.
Okay, then tell me, Mike. Talk to me. Make me understand. You don't like baseball anymore. Fine. I get that. What do you like, Michael? Football? Basketball? You like school?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. What'd you learn in class today?
I don't know. The usual.
Yeah. You weren't learning how to cut class with your faggoty little friends.
Enrique.
It ain't like I never cut class before, but don't lie to me.
Kike.
You can't just follow me around, Papi.
Sit down.
I don't go following you around.
What's up with your hands, man? Put your hands down and talk to me like a man. I didn't raise you to be like that.
You didn't raise me. You can't just come in here and try to be Papi now.
Well, I am your papi. I am.
Déjalo, Kike.
Come here.
What?
What do you mean, what? You see what time it is? What do you got that shit on your head for? Take it off.
Take what off?
I said take that shit off. Bobby, stop!
Enrique, no!
My hair.
What? Gee, this shit ends. No.
Enrique, no! Leave it alone! He's not hurting anybody!
You don't disrespect this house. Sit the fuck down right now.
Don't do this! He's not hurting anybody!
You're a fucking man, Michael. You're not a woman.
No!
Fucking
No!
Why are you doing this? Why are you defending this shit, huh? Don't you understand this can happen? You're supposed to have my back, Angie. Stop. Just stand still.
Stop it!
Papi, please stop. Papi.
Stop. I love you. I'm not gonna let you do this to yourself. Be strong. Be strong. There you go. There you go. You're beautiful, man. I gave that nigga my name. Enrique Michael Rodriguez. That's my name, son.
Bro, I don't know what to say, man. I mean, I hear you, bro. I hear you, but the fuck, bro? What if that's his life, man? That's him.
That's his life. That's my life. That's my boy. Understand? You know, he took that from me. He took that shit from me.
Entra. You can sit down.
Not me, Michael. Sí.
Este es tu hijo.
Sí, es él. La misma cara de la mía.
Mira. No te preocupes.
No habla español muy bien.
No habla español.
That's a pity.
You got pretty eyes. No one tell you that? It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Happened here, boy. I said, what happened here?
Dad, please. Please tell me.
Stop crying.
Maybe I could explain.
Stop crying now.
Mr. Williams, it seems that Charlie has killed another boy.
No, that can't be right. Charlie's not that kind of boy. He does good in school. He's a quiet kid. His father is a cop.
Well, what happened here is pretty clear. And Charlie does admit to trying to rob the young man.
Did you try to rob somebody? I asked you a question. Did you rob this boy?
Charles.
Electrician. He had his license and everything. The police said that they don't know what happened. And they haven't done a damn thing in 4 months.
We got to figure this out, and there's some connection here.
Yeah, there is.
I don't know what it is. Just come on. One second. Can you guys help me out a minute? Can you take a look at this picture? Anybody know this kid? Excuse me. Do you know this boy?
John, let's go.
Wait a second. Do you know this kid?
You spoke to my mom, didn't you?
Yes. Are you David Mercer's brother?
Yeah, I'm his brother.
I'm John Williams.
Come on, John, let's get out of here.
Did David know this boy? His name is Charlie Williams.
John, I have to talk
Wait
to
a second, Eddie. Did David know him? Answer me, please.
Yeah, he knew him all right. Come on, John, let's go.
Were they friends?
You should listen to your boy.
Tell me what's going on. You tell me what's going on. I ain't got no time for this.
They were queer, man.
What are you talking about?
They were queer. Now get your fucking hands off me.
What's he talking about?
John, you know what he's talking about.
It's not true.
It is true, John. I recognize the kid from Picture in the House. Charlie brought him to the club a few times to hear me play.
You knew about them?
Yeah. But nobody ever said anything. John, in the village, it's different. People just accept things.
They don't in the Bronx. They kill you for things like that. Do you know about this?
About what?
About Charlie and Miss David Mercer.
You have to understand one thing, John. My son is not that.
Look, I don't know exactly what happened that night, Charles, but this is gonna have to come out.
I told you that my son is not that.
Charles, did you tell McCullough not to let anybody know about the David Mercer murder?
Captain McCulley did not think there was a connection between the two cases, and I agreed with him.
But there is a connection. I know how hard this is for you, Charles. I can't believe it myself.
It is simply not true, is what it is.
It is true, Charles. Eddie knew about it. He knew about the boys. He'd seen them together.
Eddie is a drug addict.
So what? What are you saying? Charlie's a murderer?
He is not that.
Then he's involved with David Mercer.
He is not that either.
And you better decide which one he is.
My son is neither.
Look, I don't know what you thought. Maybe you thought I could save him without this coming out, but I'm telling you, Charles, I've been doing this long enough to know that it has got to come out.
That is not what my son is. He is not deformed like that.
I don't have time. I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna get that file on David Mercer, and I'm gonna find out what happened that night.
John,
What?
he was going to be a police officer. Don't you understand that? John, I'm begging you, please don't do this.
David, for 9 months, and he never saw our house. He never saw where I lived. And I wanted to show him. I had him walk by the house while I waited on the corner. He said it was a grand place. I never knew anybody who spoke the way he did.
How'd you get to the park?
I walked him down to the train so he could go home. And I wanted to kiss him goodbye. So we went into Van Cortlandt, into the park there. And we sat on a bench. We never had any place we could go. We could never be in a room alone. We started doing stuff. You know, I thought it was so beautiful there, with the trees and the stars. And that's when I heard those boys. So we ran.
David was wearing the blue shirt.
Yeah. And that kid, Pat Sullivan, grabbed David. And he started to beat him. And I could tell they were drunk. And they pissed on him. And they put cigarettes out on him. And I kept praying that he was dead. I mean, he was so beautiful. And then I couldn't even recognize him. And then I knew he was dead. Because they all took turns. They all took turns trying to twist his neck to see who could break it.
loose so they could chase me. Uncle John, he wanted to chase me like an animal. And all I kept hearing was kill the nigger queer. Kill the nigger queer. And then they let me go. And I ran like I've never ran. And that kid, Pat Sullivan, he caught me. He was big, but he was drunk. And I kept thinking, I'm gonna take one of them with me. And I squeezed his neck with my forearm as hard as I could. And I felt him die. When the rest of them showed up, they had to beat the hell out of me before I let him go. And you know what, Uncle John? I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I did it. It's the first time I've seen him since that night.
You're gonna have to tell this on the stand.
No, I won't.
You're gonna have to.
No, I'm telling you here and now. I won't tell what happened that night again.
Why? You're going to die if you don't. Answer me.
I won't do that to my father.
You've got
I
to.
won't do that to my father!
Because of the brutality of the crime, which I believe was not just an attack on Patrick Sullivan, but an attack on an entire community, it is the judgment of this court that you, Charles Williams Jr., be sentenced to die by electrocution no later than midnight on February 13th,
Our appeal.
1958.
This case has
May the
long way to go.
have mercy on your soul.
Don't you lose faith. Do you hear me? Don't you lose faith. Charlie, you're not going to die. Do you hear me? Charlie, you're not going to die. Charlie, look at me. You're not going to die. Charles! Lot. I spent 8 years getting to where I am in the police force.
But you spent 18 years raising your son, big brother.
And I did not raise a homosexual, no matter what you say.
What is that? Are you too damn proud that you would turn your back on your own blood, Charles, for a stupid fucking badge?
Oh, look who's talking. You're a big man now.
Just trying to reach you.
Talking about you're not a Catholic anymore. Talking about jazz music and reefer smoking and bus boycotts.
We don't have time for this,
You're
Charles.
something, Eddie, you never gave a damn what I was trying to build here. You heard what he just called it? He called it a stupid badge.
Didn't mean it, Charles.
This stupid badge lets me hold my head up. I can walk anywhere in this city, any neighborhood. I get respect. This badge is finally what made me part of them.
Oh, well, let's get down to it then.
Eddie, no.
No. It makes you white, Charles.
As close as I'm going to get.
Charles, we didn't come here to argue with you. We came here to ask you, to beg you, Charles, to please help Charlie.
I'm sorry.
Please. John. I go down to that jail. And I look at Charlie, I look at him hard, I look right through him, and he is not a damn queer. He's all boy.
Charles, just, we're begging you, Charles. Look, Charles, look. I'm getting on my knees.
That boy carries my name.
Charles, remember when we were little? And you always protected him?
That boy is my seed.
Charles, remember, nobody could touch him.
That boy is from me, he's from me.
You can have your family back.
What happened to that hero?
Carol will come back home.
This isn't her home anymore.
It could be the way it was.
It could never be the way it was. John, I want you out of here. I want you both out of here. Out of here.